If we try to install Windows 11 operating system or other version of Windows operating system, sometimes you might get this type of error. So here I try to install operating system here, but if we select any of the drive, then it is giving this error. Windows cannot be installed on partition on disk 0, partition true, something like that. And if we click here, it is bringing this type of error. Windows cannot be installed to disk. The selected disk is of GPT partition style. So how we can fix this thing? See, it's very simple and easy. So let's see how we can fix this thing. So at first I just close that error, and then I'm going to press shift key and F10 key all together, and it will bring this type of command prompt. Here we need to type couple of commands. One of the command is disk part. So you can tell that like this is like this partition. So basically we need to clean that partition, and we need to like convert that partition to MBR. So we are using this disk part utility. Now we need to list the number of disks of this hard disk. So I'm going to type list then disk, and it is showing the number of disk is 2, and first one is 931 gigabyte and the other is like 7 gigabyte. So now we need to choose disk 0 where we want to install the operating system. So here we are seeing that disk 0 has almost 1 terabyte of hard disk. So I'm going to install the Windows 11 operating system on this location, right, on disk 0. So we have to select the disk first. So we can type the command select then disk and the disk number. The disk number is 0, so we need to type 0, and then we have to hit enter key, and then it will be selected, and we will get the message disk 0 is now the selected disk. Now we need to clean this disk. So we can clean the disk by typing the command clean and then hit enter key, and it will clean the entire disk. That means this disk 0, and it will give us the message like this part succeeds in cleaning the disk. Now we need to convert the disk to MBR. So to convert that thing, we need to type the command convert then MBR, and then we have to hit enter key of our keyboard. Once we hit the enter key, then it is giving us message after few seconds disk part successfully converted as selected disk to MBR format. Now type exit and again exit to close this window. Now still we are seeing like this thing, this error. So what we need to do, we need to close this thing, and then we have to start the installation again. So install now. Now it will start installation. I start installing the Windows, and all the error will be gone, and it will work properly. So I'm going to click this. I accept this one, this checkbox, then next, and then custom. And here we are seeing that it's cleaned everything, and now it's ready to install. And if we press next, then Windows 11 will be installed of this partition without any error. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily fix that error during the installation time of Windows 11 on our computer. Thank you guys for watching the video.